Today's video is sponsored by the Sous Vide pot. It is amazing. There will be a link in the description below for more information. Also, I'm gonna eat this right now because I can't not. There's stuff on my face. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Becca Beach, and today I am literally cooking the perfect steak using the Sous Vide pot. It is so amazing. I've never had a better steak. Seriously, never. Actually, I did have a good steak once, but it was $30 just for the steak. That's too expensive. This is me. First thing we need to do is take out the pot that's on the inside of here and fill it with hot water. Yes, there's a line right here that says maximum level and minimum level, and you just need to start filling it with hot water. And then I have 3 very thick steaks. I've already tested one, but what you need to do is pull out your steak and put your seasonings on it. I'm actually just gonna grab a little bit of butter. And it doesn't take a ton of seasonings like a regular steak does when you cook it on a regular old pot. This will help to preserve a lot of the natural flavors and keep it really moist and delicious. So here's some butter. I'm gonna use some Mrs. Dash on here and rub it in with some salt too. So the sous vide method is something I've never tried before, and it's really different. So what you do is you actually take the steak and you put it in a ziploc bag, or you can, a vacuum sealed bag is fine too, but I don't have one, so I'm using a ziploc bag. And then you close it most of the way and put it into the water. And just the act of putting it in the water is making the air come out of it. And I'm trying to get as much air out of there as possible to make sure that it will vacuum seal basically, and that will help to keep all of the flavors in there. So that worked pretty well. And then I'm gonna do that to the other steak, but how you do that, it just is gonna cook in the water, and it will cook so evenly and so perfect. And this is made exactly for that. It can actually fit 4 to 5 big steaks in there, and I'm really excited for that. Now that I have all my steaks in their bags, completely sealed, I'm gonna dump out enough water so it's in between the minimum and maximum line that's on. That's the maximum, right? So it should be right. Does this have air in it? Yes, it has air in it. All right, time to stick it in here. There we go. It's all in there and ready. It's all plugged in. I'm gonna shut it. By the way, this is the coolest shutter and opener. Da-da-da! So put it on sous vide mode. And my steaks are about 1.5 inches thick. So we need to set the temperature to 140 Fahrenheit because we want it cooked to medium, so I gotta keep it on there. The best thing about this is it's not gonna overcook it because it's literally in a water bath of that temperature, and it's not gonna go above it. So now I'm gonna set the timer for 3 hours and 30 minutes and push start. So now I can literally go about my day and be productive, and I'll come back in 3.5 hours. Okay, the timer just beeped. We drained the water and we set the temperature to high, and look at this. It looks perfect already, but we're gonna sear it now. And what's cool about this is you can stick it up close to the edge and sear it on the edge at the same time as the bottom. And we're gonna sear it for a minute on each side. Ah! Oh my goodness, are you guys ready for this? Look at that. It looks so delicious. Even on the edges, it's cooked well. Oh man. Ooh. My mouth is watering. I need to take a big bite. Oh my goodness. I feel like every time I go to a restaurant, maybe I'm not going to the right restaurants, but they're all like really chewy and really hard to eat, like dry. This is like super moist. I barely put any seasoning, like I did not put that many seasonings on it. I kind of did butter and a little bit of seasonings on one side, and then I flipped over and I didn't put butter on the other side. I just want to keep eating this. It's super soft too. Like, oh man, it's done so perfectly. Look at that. It's seriously perfect. If I'm telling you guys the truth, I have never made a good steak. I always burn them, always. And this is really cool because it literally can't burn it. But they have a ton of other recipes here. And the one I am so excited about is actually yogurt. Like, I can't even wait. I cannot wait. I want to try that one. Do you guys want to see me try that one? If you want to see me try that one, I will let you see it. You can't taste it unless you've got taste-o-vision. And if you don't have taste-o-vision, then buy one of these because it will help you to make some yogurt or some steak. It's actually really, really good. If you guys are interested in getting one yourself, a link will be in the description below. I'm gonna go make some yogurt. Bye.